And as you can see, I can slip the screwdriver in the crack. You know, you see that the tip of it going down in there. You know, and you make sure that it can do that all the way around with ease. Check the bottom. You know, can you put the tip of the screwdriver in the same way at the bottom? And if you can't, well, use a screwdriver as a little bit of a sign of how thick it is. And you know, common sense says if you're any kind of mechanic, you can figure this out. It's not that hard. So there we are. Now, so what we're going to do here is we're going to continue to push on it with a smaller socket, so that we're not right up against the walls on the inside of this part pushing the bearing in. We want to shrink down a little bit again, excuse me, to be able to go all the way in without any confrontations from anywhere. So let's give it a little push. Oh, you see that? It moved a little. Oh, it's moving. Oh, there we go. See? You see by that little dot right here, this hole in it, that's moving in. When it gets there, it'll sure enough let you know it's there too. It'll just stop and you won't be able to turn it. And I'm not using anything on the vise. I'm using the handle of the vise and brute force. See, it's moving. If you need a little pipe to help you with it, okay, you can do that, but I'm pretty strong and don't have a problem doing this. And so, as you can see with this socket, this is a socket, it's turned upside down with the hole in it that they have in them in these kind of sockets, and it's like cutting the hole right in half. So that could be a good indicator. I've never thought of it that way, but to me that makes sense, because that shows me that I'm that far inside of there, which is far enough for the seal, because the seal is very small and rubbery, and it's only about that thick, and it would go in. And as you can see, there's also the lip in here, and we are flush all the way around that lip and all the way in, so that you can put a seal there. This is a good practice. We may go back and put them in at a later date. I have to talk to the owner of the thing that we're working on. But you see they're in there. Now you can see my finger through there. Look how easy that spins. Now I do it from this side. Have to use a smaller finger, and this thing's heavy. Look at that. Isn't that sweet, people? You can do this yourself. You don't need no shop to tell you how to do it or anything like that. Just come to us. You know, come check out Pooh Bah's projects. We'll have a list of videos coming out in the near future. This is just one. We're trying to learn how to do this, and I hope you'll stick with us and grow with us, and share and like and subscribe to our channel and help us evolve. We hope to continue to do this with all of our little projects, and we do a lot of other things than just working on go-karts and cars and stuff. We build things, and got a container home I build. We shoot black powder rifles. We do all kinds of stuff. So just join with us, grow with us, and help us grow. And we appreciate you coming and watching our video today. Have a great new year.